This is not a commercial. This is not an advertisement. And this is not a sponsored YouTube channel. Woodworking is purely a hobby for me. Up until this video, every tool you've seen in my shop is something that I've worked for, saved for, and bought with my own money. And it's no secret that I am absolutely obsessed by the products made by this little company called Incra. So this is just another story about my woodworking journey. And about the time I sent an email to my favorite tool company and said, "Hey, what do you think about sending me some free tools to show on my YouTube channel?" And they said, yes. I've never owned that great of a machinist square before, so you'll probably see me using this quite a bit. This is my old Incra Miter gauge. I probably bought this thing over 10 years ago. The labels might be a little faded, but it's just as solid and accurate as the day I bought it. I added 2 toilet bolts so I could install a reusable but disposable MDF zero clearance fence. I use this keyhole router bit to make the MDF fences. They're easily adjustable, any length I need, and as you can see I can cut through them multiple times before they need replacing. They work great on either the table saw or the router table as a zero clearance backing to prevent tear out. And if I need a stop block for repeatable cuts, boom. But something tells me this might be a bit of an upgrade. It probably took about an hour to set everything up, and it was pretty straightforward.
Like this.
So, as far as a review, I'm not even going to pretend I'm not biased. You'll see me using this thing for just about every project, and I'll try to give you a little bit more idea of how it's used and what I like about it. But what I can tell you is I've been spending my own money on this stuff for years, and I keep coming back for more. It does what they tell you it's going to do, and it does a damn good job of it. The last thing I did was a little reorganizing on the pegboard behind my table saw. And then I just drilled a couple extra holes in the miter sled and built this custom rack to hang it from. If you ever have any questions about any of the tools you see in my shop, just let me know in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to answer them for you. See you later.